I'm Matt with 731 Woodworks, and today we're organizing the shop. That is a mess, and I got to clean it up. I went ahead and bought a Husky 77-inch wide shelf from Home Depot. I'll drop a link in the description below to the shelf, as well as the boxes that I picked up to help me organize this shop. This is where I keep my paint and stains, and I need to do that better because this is just an old dresser piece off of a bunk bed that I just procured when we got a different bedroom suite for the kids. So this isn't working, and obviously it looks like crap. So let's clean that up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all that stuff out of that corner, and then we'll unbox and put that shelf together. So the way these go in, it's got two little tabs there that slide into those notched holes. Very simple. Just take a little rubber mallet. So the cross braces they've sent have holes here, and then the holes are pre-drilled here. It also has a hook on the bottom that hooks into the bottom of this rail, which is fine, except the hardware that goes through the top into the like that is just a piece of plastic. You can see that right there. And I've already broke one, and they didn't send near enough, so I'm just taking some bolts, sticking down through there, making it more solid. So it was a fairly straightforward way to put that together if they would have sent quality parts. I think, like I said, those plastic pieces that join those in are junk because they're going to break. But I had some bolts in the shop, so if you, I don't know what size, maybe 1/4 inch or so, about yay long, 1/2 inch long or so is plenty. They're just going to stick down there. It just holds the braces together. It shouldn't go anywhere, I wouldn't think, because there shouldn't be any lateral pressure on it. So it's all going to be vertical. But man, it's a nice size shelf. 78 inches long, 77 inches tall by 2 foot deep, 24 inches deep. Should be plenty of storage there. So I'm going to start stacking those paint cans back on there in an orderly fashion so I can actually get to them now. She's sorting the bolt drawers. So over the last couple of weeks, my focus has been to get this shop organized so that I can work more efficiently, and it's not such a mess, because gosh, it was getting to be a mess, and it can if you're not careful. It's very easy to get out of hand. So this shelf, like I said, it's a Husky shelf, run me about $200. It was on sale for $170, $169 or something like that, $160, $169. And so not a bad deal. It's very, very sturdy. It'll hold a lot of weight. It's not rickety. Man, that thing is solid. It is solid. You can actually bolt it to the floor. There's holes down there in the feet if you wanted to bolt it down. I'm not going to be climbing up on it. I don't need it to be bolted down for any reason. Put all my heavier items on the bottom. I'm actually able, I had enough room clearing that old shelf out that I could actually store my paint on one shelf, my stain and clear coats on the second shelf or the third shelf. Stuff I rarely use on top shelf, my circle cutting jig, my Craig circular saw guide, that kind of stuff up there, my paint gun, And then on the bottom, I was able to use that as scrap wood storage to get it up off the floor over here where I actually store some of my lumber. That helps to keep that organized. And so I'm very, very pleased with that. I also picked up this. These were really, really cheap. And they're really nice boxes. 17-gallon HDX Tough Tote. All this stuff I'm going to put a link in the description for you so you can go check out for yourself. These are 7-gallon boxes. I'm actually going to get 2 more of these to go on top of those just to help store stuff. In here I just got shop rags and things that I'm going to be using for paints and stains and things. And then up here is just some lesser. What I got in there? So my shipping. I got tape and shipping, packaging, stuff like that in these. So they're going to be very, very handy. And I actually picked up these 2 Husky organizers, stackable things. I'm just stacking my paint cans in there sideways. Is there any reason I can't do that? Let me know in the comments. I don't think there's any reason. But that helps keep those organized. Man, organization, it feels good. It really does. The last couple of weeks I added this to my miter station. I actually built this drawer. It's just a plywood top, square frame around it. It's hollow underneath. Drilled some holes in there for my screwdrivers. I actually built those slides. It's just 3 pieces of wood because I ran out of these kind. And on these slides, I had some extra ball bearing slides. I bought these rigid boxes from Home Depot as well. I've got 3 of them just to help me sort my screws and things like that. And then up here, I actually got a video of this Stanley organizer review of it. But these worked out nice. Same type of drawer. I just got some stops on there to help. These I can actually pick and move up off if I need to. And so this helps my screws and bolts and things. I was able to sort those out. And these are actually stackable. You can stack these on top of each other and lock them into place if I need to be. I'm going to build another drawer for that one I have left on the bottom. That gives me drawers on my miter station. So everything's coming together nice. I'm enjoying this organization. So to give you an idea of how big the shelf is, I'm 5'11", and I can't reach all the way across. So good size shelf. It's very sturdy. I can pull it over. I'd have to try if I really wanted to pull it over. It's sturdy. So you can't push it back and forth, so it's very, very sturdy. It's a good shelf. I think it's going to wear well. It's like a powder coat. Me banging it around on each other as I was moving it and putting it together, I didn't scratch it at all. So I think it's going to be pretty durable for out here. I think these are galvanized, so everything should hold up well in the humidity that it is out here. I'm very, 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 very pleased, if you can't tell, with the shelf. And I'm happy that I got it, so now that area doesn't look like crap. Because before, you have to admit, it looked like crap. And now it looks a little more professional, and I like it. This is a 70-inch. They have one that's a little more narrow. I can't remember now what it is. Then they have actually a 90-inch wide shelf, same height. But I'm thinking about getting and putting on this side of the shop, or a power rack with weights. Like this video and you want to see more like it, click that video box right there, take you to more videos. I appreciate you watching. I'll give you a virtual fist bump if you share this on your social media. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for watching.